everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is something that I've been wanting to try and share with all of you for a very long time. Usually when I go to weddings, this particular dish or rice has been served and I've always wondered, how do you make this? So today I'm going to share vegetable Brinji. Now the flavors are very unique and it's very tasty. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the Brinji rice, I've taken 1 cup of basmati rice. This is a 250 ml cup. Just wash it a few times. Pour enough water and soak it for about 30 minutes. For the Brinji rice, first I'm going to grind a masala paste. To the mixer jar, add a few whole spices, a piece of cinnamon, cardamom, cloves and 1/4 teaspoon fennel seeds. Next, add 3 cloves of garlic chopped, a piece of ginger chopped and 2 green chilies chopped. Next, add 1 tablespoon of freshly grated coconut, a few mint leaves, add a few coriander leaves, pour a little water and grind everything to a nice fine paste. So the masala paste for the Brinji is ready. Keep this aside. To the pressure cooker, add 1.5 tablespoons of ghee and 1 tablespoon of oil. Next, add a few whole spices. I have a small piece of cinnamon, 2 cloves, 2 cardamom, star anise, stone flower, it's optional but it adds a lot of flavor, and 1 bay leaf. Now I'm going to add 1 large onion that's been thinly sliced, 2 green chilies slit. Saute the onions till they are transparent. Add the masala paste. So keep the flame on medium and cook the masala paste for about 2 minutes. Add 2 small tomatoes sliced. You can also chop them. Just give it a quick mix. Make sure you maintain the flame on medium to low because you don't want to burn the masala. Saute the tomatoes along with the masala for about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to start adding all the vegetables here. 1 large potato cut up into small pieces. So you can adjust the quantity of vegetables depending on the quantity of rice that you are making. 1 cup of cauliflower, 1 medium-sized carrot chopped, a few beans chopped. So if you see, it's roughly about a cup. About ½ cup of fresh green peas. This is a very quick to make vegetable Brinji. So add 1 teaspoon of salt. Check for seasoning and you can always add a little later. So first I'm adding 1 teaspoon. So cook the vegetables for about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add a few mint leaves, some coriander leaves. So it's already beginning to smell so good because of the masala. So if you can see, the masala that we've added for this particular recipe is very different. Now I'm going to add the rice. So the rice has been soaking for about 30 minutes. So gently mix the rice. Just take care to see that you don't break it. So add 2 cups of diluted coconut milk. So for this particular recipe, I've added 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of liquid, which is diluted coconut milk. So if you don't want to add diluted coconut milk, you can just add water. But definitely coconut milk will add a lot of flavor to the Brinji rice. Close the pressure cooker, place the weight and cook for 1 whistle on medium flame. So after 1 whistle, turn off the stove and keep the pressure cooker aside. Wait for about 5 minutes till the pressure releases. So you can see from the recipe, it's a very quick and easy recipe, and it's a one-pot dish, and it looks very similar to pulao, but the flavors and taste is entirely different. So you can serve this with any curry or raita by the side. So do try this recipe, enjoy and share with your family and friends.